So guys, the crypto markets are still crashing down very significantly, altcoins as well. The S&P 500 is not doing really good, pretty much with the mixed sentiment around the tariffs and a lot of different things around multiple economies and a lot of different moving parts. Right now, price action is not looking too hot, and I want to give you guys these specific indicators and perspectives around crypto analysts, price action around Bitcoin, where we could be going, and exactly what you need to know. But if you're new to my channel, go ahead and check out the rest of my content. I'm an intermediate trader documenting my journey, showing you guys my wins, my losses, keeping you guys updated on the day-to-day events, price action around Bitcoin and altcoins, just so you can understand how liquidity is shifting and how you can pretty much position yourself to make those crazy gains. Right now, we have been seeing some crazy dips in the market. I've been leverage trading, been making some crazy gains. My affiliate code is down in the description, so if you want to support the YouTube channel and you want to get into leverage trading, by all means, go jump into that link and go check out my other videos that jump into leverage trading. But today I want to talk about exactly where we're going for the crypto markets, why everyone thinks everything is dead, and exactly how everything is going to be looking in the next few weeks, and what you need to be focused on to really understand when Bitcoin and everything else is going to get the liquidity it needs to shoot up. Let's go ahead and jump into it. So guys, like I said, the crypto markets are crashing down significantly. Bitcoin sitting at 88,000, Ethereum sitting at 2480. The Ethereum and Bitcoin chart is not looking hot, pretty much giving us some indicators pointing to the fact that more than likely we're going to be deviating a little bit lower. Bitcoin dominance as well wicked up already to 61%. We saw that 62% mark hit yesterday, and right now it's just trading in that region. USDT dominance hit that 5% mark, which we were anticipating, guys, and as a result, we have been seeing a lot of liquidations in the crypto markets. Right now, the S&P 500 is not looking good, and this is a strong indicator as to how Bitcoin is going to be reacting and pretty much all other assets, just because everything really revolves around the economy and how everything else is doing. Right now, Benjamin Cohen gave us pretty much the support band for Bitcoin and how it ranged from the 89,000 region to the 91K region, 92K region. And right now, Bitcoin's currently sitting at 88,000, falling below that specific range, that support band. So at the end of the day, guys, we could be deviating a little bit lower. And you know, how can we really determine when Bitcoin is going to start to rally up? Justin Bennett really talks about this, and he's been talking about it in multiple different posts, and I actually shared it on my YouTube channel, pretty much with the Trump tariffs and all these different, you know, mixed sentiments around how the economies are going to be working, pretty much with Mexico and Canada and a few others. This is super key to really let us know how liquidity is moving in the markets and how everyone feels. Overall, he says stop ignoring stocks when evaluating crypto. Blindly expecting Bitcoin to take off toward 150K any day now, while the S&P 500 is signaling multiple red flags, is foolish. I'm not saying we can't get rallies, but the big picture technicals aren't looking good at the moment. And you can pretty much see that, guys, with the S&P 500, that at the end of the day, pretty much how we're deviating lower in this specific region is pretty much pointing to the fact how everything is going and how the sentiment is in the markets right now. Everyone is capitulating their bags. We saw massive liquidations yesterday, and pretty much keeping up with not only indicators around Bitcoin and Ethereum, but also how the, you know, stock markets are doing is really key to really let us know how all the markets are going to be having an effect. But overall, guys, keeping up with the S&P 500 with these indicators with ETH and Bitcoin is really going to let us know exactly where we're going. But if we jump into Justin Bennett's next post, he says, as I said all month, despite the constant insults, there's still no reason to be bullish on Bitcoin and ETH, etc. Tether dominance is range bound until proven otherwise. And we've been talking about it, guys, throughout the week. If you're new to the channel, like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned, because I keep you guys updated with all these indicators. And USDT was sitting at around 4.6, 4.5, and now it's already hitting that 5% zone, which we were anticipating. And I said if we hit this zone, guys, we were going to be seeing a big squeeze in the markets, and that's currently what's taking place, which is why I'm not too worried. We have been anticipating this, and if you are keeping up with all these indicators and price action, you're not too worried. But the crypto markets have been taking a hit. If we look at my crypto portfolio, mainly revolved around AI agents, AI infrastructure, and meme coins, you can see some of my coins rallied really hard today, others not so much. But at the end of the day, a lot of coins that are going to be, you know, having these rallies are these strong coins. These strong coins, strong communities are going to be the first to move, and you want to make sure that your portfolio is revolved around those assets that are highly volatile whenever we start to see some price action in the markets. But swiping everything to the side, guys, I want to keep these videos quick and concise. Right now, the price action on Bitcoin and Ethereum is super key, but also tying that into how the stock markets are doing is really, beneficial, just because we can have an overall perspective how liquidity is moving in the overall markets. At the end of the day, Bitcoin is not going to be able to rally if the S&P is crashing down very significantly. We can still see, some rallies, but we're not going to be seeing that significant price action until we start to see some correlation. And this is where you can start to, start to boost up your expertise by keeping up with multiple charts, indicators, and just understand how liquidity moves. The money flow in crypto is super key in order to get ahead of everybody, which is why a lot of people right now are looking into altcoins, because everything is at steal prices, which is why right now I'm actually allocating to my portfolio. Might add a few different positions as well, but this is where the smart money starts to take action and the dumb money gets out. At the end of the day, this is not financial advice by any means. We got to keep up with the price action around these assets, around these indicators, and then from there draw our conclusion based off of how that is. And also specific events that are going to be happening in March with the FOMC, on top of that with pretty much cryptocurrency, altcoins, projects, partnerships, and all these other different things. But guys, I'm gonna keep you guys updated with all that information and the day-to-day events and price action. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and check out the rest of my content. I'm an intermediate trader documenting my journey, showing you guys my wins, my losses, my new ventures like leverage trading. Just got started with leverage trading, but I'm already making some decent gains. Like I said, affiliate code down in the description below. I appreciate all the support you guys show me by signing up with those links. It really helps me out on this YouTube channel. But right now I'm playing the markets. I'm having fun shorting and longing in different points, and I also have a long-term portfolio, and I'm keeping up with these indicators to pretty much let me know when altcoins are going to get the liquidity that they need. If you're wondering when that's going to happen, you need to be keeping up with the day-to-day events and these price action to really understand how liquidity shifts. But if you're new to the channel, drop me a comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of my perspective. Let me know what you guys think of the state of the markets. And I'm going to keep you guys updated whenever I am selling, when I'm buying, my ventures like leverage trading and everything else in between. I'm actually going to have a updated video this weekend talking about my predictions for the rest of the 2025 crypto bull run. And I want to give a full in-depth video about leverage trading as well, because I've been making some crazy gains with it. I'm going to keep showing you guys. But at the end of the day, I also want to be able to show you guys how you can take advantage of it as well. You can lose money if you don't know what you're doing, but you can also make some crazy gains if you start to actually learn and progress with it. But overall, guys, I'm gonna keep you guys updated on all that stuff. Stay tuned. I drop day-to-day content, so hopefully I catch you in the next one. Peace.